Another interesting inflation figure that is coming in from the US at this point in time, and US seems to have tapered inflation. It has come down, in fact, as low as
3%.
3% and cooled off in the month of June for the 12th straight month now. I think it's in line with the expectations.
It is definitely in line with expectations, and in fact, US inflation was hovering in the range of 9% 1 year ago. And from 9%, it has been hammered down to 1/3 of that to 3%, and pretty much in line with US Fed, pretty much in line with whatever was expected by way of all the FOMC rate hike cycles that we saw, which also eventually had a pause last month. But I think that pause in the US is definitely going to continue. I don't see any reason for US Fed to hike rates again.
There could be a cut when you are predicting a cut.
Hopefully there could be a cut, but maybe they will want to give this a little bit of breathing space and see if the 3% holds, or if it falls even further to, let's say, 2.7, 2.8% next month. Then there could be a case built for a cut. But right now, I think US Fed is going to continue sitting on the pause button, and no rate hike. This is going to augur well for the markets. This is going to augur well for overall economy in the US to start firing once again. And that in turn should result in the discretionary spendings that we talked about earlier in this discussion today, of discretionary spending by way of technology, etc., to kickstart again, and therefore business coming back to Indian IT sector, and this reversed guidance of single digit going back to double digit hopefully next year.
Remember, the Fed has a 2% target of inflation, so it's still slightly above that target. We will of course keep tracking that, but I think all in all it's good news for for not just the US but also maybe augurs well for India. Inflation coming down in the US, inflation slightly above mark for India at 4.8%. We will of course keep tracking inflation figures.